How does the dance begin with? Feeling. It consists of two components. Emotions. This is your mood, which created by the music. The second is groove, is what makes music visible. So feeling is the ability to harmoniously combine these two components. Now let's talk about each concept separately. Emotion is what opens your image to the viewer and allows him to understand you better. How to train emotion? Play music, preferably of different genres, and then stand in front of the mirror and relax, and begin to convey the mood of the music as you feel it. This is something that requires constant practice, many years, again and again. This is what I personally recommend doing all the time. It doesn't matter if you've been dancing 1 week or 20 years. This skill always needs practice, because new music appears every day, and every time you experience new emotions and feelings. So practice it, make videos of yourself, then watch these videos, analyze them, draw conclusions, and do it again and again. Try it and write your insights on this topic in the comments. Let's move on to the next topic. Groove. This is what any street dance cannot exist without. Groove. It is feeling of the music with your body. What keeps you on the beat? The groove is impossible to copy. So remember, this is what makes you unique. No groove, no dance, no you. Groove is not a simple movement. It consists of rocking, bounce, dive, speed control, jerk moves, different steps, and basic movements of your dance style. Now we start the practical part of our lesson. Any music is like a sea, and you like a ship in the middle of the sea. Imagine that ship rocking on the waves. So first move, bounce, is when I'm rocked up and down, rocked up and down, and the next scent is down, boom, boom, boom. When you do this, use your knees, body, head, shoulders, chest, hands, boom, boom, bounce. You can use any part of your body in turn or together. When you do this, relax and feel the freedom of your movements. Remember that bounce is what helps you keep the rhythm. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's do bounce with me now with different parts of the body. Just legs. 1, 2, 3, 4. Next, bounce with my hands. 1, 2, 3, 4. Next, bounce with my legs and hands. 1, 2, 3, 4. Next, bounce with my shoulders. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Bounce with my chest. 1, 2, 3, 4. Bounce with my head. 1, 2, 3, 4. Next, bounce with my body. 1, 2, 3, 4. Next, I will do different variations. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Next one is rocking. It's like a bounce, but the accent is up. Start from the bottom and push my body up with mini impulse and then relax. So, boom, boom. Let's do it with different parts of the body like we did it with the bounce. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Dive is another move that will help me to be on the beat. When I do dive, I move my body from side to side, and in the middle I go down and up, down and up. We can do an accent down, boom, boom, or up, 1, 1. Let's do it with any parts of the body. Boom, 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 and 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh my god. So now I have 3 things that will help me be on the beat: bounce, rocking, dive. Now I'll do it into a music in random how I feel.
You feel the ball, make it rock your body.
Okay, let's go to the next. Speed control. This is your ability to try on speeds while you're dancing. As for me, there are three main ones. The first speed is the usual one, when you work clearly to the rhythm. I'll show you on the example of bounce. Kick, clap, boom, ha. If you count, it will be 1, 2, 3, 4. And for each count, I do a bounce. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now let's do rocking and dive in this speed. 1, 2, 3, 4. And dive. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now all together to the music. Okay, the next speed is double time. Every dancer should know this. This is high speed of your dance. You can do any movement in this speed. Double time is when you make a movement to the music not for every count, and twice as fast or even faster. Let's make a bounce in double time. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Do you understand? This is when you add to the regular count a virtual and between. Let's do rocking in double time. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Dive in double time mode. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Now let's practice bounce, rock and dive in double time mode into music.
Feel my bounce, you feel my bounce, you feel my bounce, feel my bounce, 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 you feel my bounce, you feel my bounce, you feel my bounce, rock, 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 rock.
The last basic speed is slow-mo. This is slow speed of your dance. As in the previous two speeds, you can also do any kind of movement in this one. So slow-mo is when you make a movement to the music not on every count, and after one or even slower. For example, with a bounce. 1, 2, 3, 4, or even slower. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's do some rock in this speed. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, or even slower. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And of course, dive in slow-mo. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Slower. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Music!
Rock, 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 rock your body, rock. Feeling boom, feeling live, feeling boom, feeling live, feeling boom, feeling live. I'm feeling boom, I'm feeling live. I'm waking bones, you feel my bones. I'm waking bones, you feel my bones.
Congratulations! We learned 3 speeds: normal, double time and slow-mo. Now let's combine bounce, rock and dive, normal speed, slow-mo and double time.
You feel my bounce, feel my bounce, bounce, bounce. You feel my bounce, you feel my bounce, you feel my bounce. Rock, 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 rock your body. Rock, 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 rock your body. Rock, rock.
It's cool, it's already like a groove, but there is another concept that will take your groove to the next level. Jerk move is a cool complement for visualizing your groove, which you can use to highlight different musical moments. It 100% will make your groove even more unique. The technique is that it is done sharply and clearly in different musical moments, not only in kick or snare. You can make jerk with different parts of your body, such as head, shoulders, chest, elbows, wrists, body, hips, hands, knees and legs, and many others. You can do jerks separately or combine it. The point of this movement is to show the sound as you feel it. Let's move to the music.
Feel my bones, my bones. Boom, boom. You feel my bones. I make it boom. I make it boom.
No matter how stupid it looks on its own, when I add it to bounce, rocking, dive, speed control, my groove will be on the next level. Finally, let's do all together. Bounce, rocking, dive, speed control. This is slow-mo, normal speed, double time, and jerk moves to the music.
You feel my bounce. You feel my bounce. You feel my bounce. Feel my bounce. Bounce, bounce. You feel my bounce. You feel my bounce. You feel my bounce. Rock, 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 rock your body.
Hey, we learn how to groove! The jerk moves is what helps make your groove more interesting. And groove is how you visualize music. To sum up, it consists of bounce, rocking, dive, speed control, slow-mo, normal speed, double time, and jerk moves. The last stage of our lesson is to combine emotions and groove. Turn on the music, relax. You can even close your eyes in order to focus on yourself and your inner state. Catch the rhythm and start living. Let your body come alive to the music.
You feel my bones. I make it boom. I make it boom. You feel my bounce. You feel my bounce. You feel my bounce. Feel my bounce. Bounce, bounce. You feel my bounce. You feel my bounce. You feel my bounce. Rock, 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 rock your body. Rock, 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 rock your body. Rock, 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 rock your body.
Thank you for watching. Leave a like if you like and write in the comments what next topic you would like to see on my channel. Subscribe and share this lesson. Yeah, Spitfire. See you soon. Pow!